It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Welcome to Unacademy SN YouTube channel. This is K Umamaheswara Rao. Unacademy is conducting Master Blaster Practice Series, a free special class series, altogether 10,000 questions by top educators at Unacademy. In Computer Science and Engineering branch, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering and Chemical Engineering. On Unacademy ECAT YouTube channel, YouTube sessions on every Friday, basic concepts on every Friday, intermediate concepts on Saturday, advanced concepts on Sunday, knowledge fight on Monday, tests on every Tuesday. Unacademy is conducting free live combat in mechanical engineering branch, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science and information technology. India's largest weekly competition for GATE. Access your GATE preparation in 60 minutes. It is a free live combat. Challenging and original GATE questions by best educators at Unacademy. Check it live to compete with the best. All India live leaderboard. Identify and improve your weak areas through detailed video solutions. Next combat is on June 20th, tomorrow at 11 a.m. Sunday at 11 a.m. and 27th June at 11 a.m. Rank 1 to 3 Unacademy complimentary plus subscription. Rank 4 to 10 75% off on Unacademy plus subscription. 11 to 50 50% off. 51 to 100 25% off on Unacademy plus subscription. For the tenure, of your choice. Price hike is coming in GATE and ESC category. Beat the price hike and subscribe now. Unacademy is announcing new batches. Evolve batch for 2022 GATE, Ascend batch for 2023 GATE in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and civil engineering. In Plus, you have live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving sessions, rank improved batches. On Iconic subscription, you have personal coach, study planner, study booster sessions, personalized test analysis, dedicating doubt clearing instructors, preparatory study material. Either for Plus subscription or Iconic subscription, use code KUR75. Mathematical logic. Practice session on mathematical logic. First problem. Consider the following statements. S1. R implies Q implies P. Negation P implies negation R or negation Q. S2 is P implies Q and Q implies R. Negation Q and R implies P. Which of the following is true? First option. Only S1, only S2, both S1 and S2, neither S1 nor S2. Now, first problem. First, I am going to examine S1, whether S1 is valid or not. R implies Q implies P. This is the given statement. Now, R implies Q implies P can be written as R and Q implies P from equivalence set 2. Now, logical implications equivalence set 2. Now, negation P is given. Now, by using modest tolerance on 2 and 3, R and Q implies P, negation P. Therefore, negation of R and Q. Modest tolerance on 2 and 3. Now, fifth one. Negation of R and Q is nothing but negation R or negation Q by De Morgan's law. Now, negation R or negation Q, that is the statement we got. Therefore, S1 is valid. Therefore, S1 is valid. Now, S2. P implies Q and Q implies R. That is given in the statement. P implies Q and Q implies R, and negation Q and R implies P. PQR. Now, fix P as false. Fix P false. Try to make antecedent true. Antecedent is a conjunction. Here P implies Q, Q implies R, and the negation Q and R. All must be true. Okay. Now, if P is false, now Q I am taking false, R I am taking true. False implies false is true. Q false, R true. False implies true, true. Now, when Q is false, negation Q is true and R true. True and true is true. So overall, first term is possible to be true, second term is to be possible to be true, third term is also possible to be true. Therefore, the conjunction is true. Therefore, true implies antecedent is true, consequent is false, situation is possible. Therefore, it is false. Therefore, S2 is invalid. S2 is invalid. So, only S1 is valid. So, correct answer is only S1. Next problem. The statement A or B and negation A and C and negation of B or C is option A, tautology, option B, contradiction, option C, a contingency, option D, none of the above. Now, continuation. A, B, C, A or B and negation A and C and negation B and negation C. Now, suppose A is true, B is false, C is false. A or B, A or B is true or false, true. And when A is true, negation A is false. False and false, false. And negation B is true and negation C is true. True and true is true. So overall, this conjunction is false. Next, suppose A is false, B is false, C is false. Now in this case, A or B is false and negation A, true and false is false, and negation B and negation C, true. False and true, false and false and true is false. Overall, in this case also it is false. Whether A is true or A is false, it is false. Therefore, we can select it is not satisfiable. It is a contradiction. You can say it is a contradiction. Next problem. Consider the following statements. S1. A or B implies C implies A and B implies C. A and B implies C implies A or B implies C. Which one of the following is true? Only S1, only S2, third option. Both S1, S2, neither S1 nor S2. Now, first one, S1. A, B, C, A or B implies C implies A and B implies C. Now, to examine whether it is a tautology or not, fix consequent false. Try to make antecedent true. Try to make antecedent true. Now, consequent false means true implies false situation arises, then only it is false. So, A and B is true means A must be true, B must be true, C must be false. Now A or B. So A or B is true implies C is false. True implies false is false. False implies false. False implies false is true. Therefore, it is valid. S1 is valid. Next, S2. S2. A, B, C. A intersection B implies C implies A or B implies C. Now, fix consequent false. Try to make antecedent true. Now, consequent false means consequent is also an implication. Generally, an implication is false when true implies false situation arises. Now, A or B is true in three situations. That's why I am taking first situation. A is false, B is true. Second situation, A is true, B is true. Third situation, A is true, B is false. Now, C is false, 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 false. Now, when in the first case, A and B, false and true is false. False implies false. False implies false is true. Next, false implies false is true. So true implies false situation is possible in this case. Now, suppose even one case true implies false situation is possible, it is not valid. It is invalid. It is invalid. Okay. Therefore, only S1 is valid. Only S1 is valid. Next one. Next problem. Consider the following statements. S1. Negation P implies Q implies negation W. Q implies negation W. Negation P implies Q implies negation W, and negation S implies Q, and negation T, and negation PRT implies W implies S. S2. Q implies T, and S implies R, and negation Q implies S implies negation T implies R. Which of the following is true? First option, only S1, only S2, both S1 and S2, neither S1 nor S2. Now continuation. S1. Given that negation P implies Q implies negation W. Second one. Now, second statement is negation S implies Q. That is also a premise. Third premise, negation T. Fourth premise, negation P negation P RT. That is fourth premise. Four premises are given. Now, fifth one I am writing. By using 3 and 4, I am writing negation P RT, negation T, negation P RT, negation T. Disjunctive syllogism. By applying disjunctive syllogism, you can write negation P. Now, sixth one. Sixth one. Q implies negation W by applying mod exponents on 1 and 5. Negation P implies Q implies negation W and negation P. Therefore, Q implies negation W. Now, seventh one. Now, negation S implies negation W. Hypothetical syllogism on 2 and 6. Negation S implies Q, Q implies negation W. Therefore, negation S implies negation W. Next, eighth one. Negation S implies negation W is W implies S, contrapositive of 7. Therefore, S1 is valid. S1 is valid. Next, S2. S2. Q implies D, S implies R, negation Q implies S. These are the given premises. Now, Q implies T given, S implies R is given. Third one, negation Q implies S can be written as QR, QR, negation Q implies S is QRS. By using the rule of constructive dilemma on 1, 2, 3. Q implies T, S implies R, Q R S. Therefore, R R T, R T R R. You can write T R R. With the help of implication, you can write T R R can be written as negation T implies R. Negation T implies R. They have given in terms of negation T implies R. That's why T R R I have written negation T implies R. So S2 is also true. S2 is also valid. Therefore, S2 is valid. Both S1 and S2 are valid. Therefore, correct answer is third option. Understood? Next problem. A binary relation, a binary relation star is defined by the following truth table. The following truth table. PQ, P star Q, false, false, it is false, false, true, it is false, true, false, it is true. Now, true, true, it is false. Then P implies Q is equivalent to, by using this relation, P implies Q is equivalent to negation P star Q, negation of P star Q, or negation of P star negation Q, or P star negation Q. We have to identify which one of the following options are correct. Now, I am preparing the truth table. PQ, P star Q, P implies Q. False, false. It is given in the table. False, false is false. False, true is false. True, false is true. True, true is false. As per the given table, truth table. Now, for the all possible truth combinations, I am going to find out P implies Q. False implies false is true. False implies true is true. True implies false is false. True implies true is true. When you compare P star Q and P implies Q, this is false, this is true. When P star Q is false, P implies Q is true. When P star Q is true, P implies Q is false. When P star Q is false, P implies Q is true. Therefore, we can understand that from the truth table, P star Q is negation of P implies Q. P implies Q is negation of P star Q. Therefore, the conclusion is P implies Q is equivalent to negation of P star Q. Therefore, negation of P star Q is the correct answer. Second option is correct. Perfect study partner for GATE and ESE. Unacademy is a perfect study partner for GATE and ESE. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and information technology. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in production engineering, engineering sciences. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering. Unacademy is congratulating chemical engineering, GATE 2021 rankers in environmental science and engineering. Thank you.